Hey everyone, my name is Kanchan and welcome to DIY Kanchan. So in today's project we'll be using this chocolate box and we'll be making a tray out of this chocolate box. I am keeping my all perfumes on that. You can keep your jewelry on that. You can even keep it on your dining table. So if you're new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, hit the ring bell, and let's get started. So the first thing you need is a chocolate box. I'm taking this one. I'm taking this napkin paper and I'm going to fix it like this. Now as you can see, this part is coming out, so I'm going to fix it with hot glue gun. You can fix it with normal glue. Then I'm going to do acrylic color only on the base, because I'm going to stick that napkin paper, so for that I need a white base. So yeah, like that, slowly and wait till it's dry and wipe the extra color with tissue paper. Now I'm going to cut the napkin paper like this, and yeah, it goes. And of course you have to take out the extra sheet, which is always attached with the napkin paper. I'm going to fix it with modpodge glue. Just apply modpodge glue all over the tray. And then slowly, very slowly fix your napkin paper and press it with some plastic sheet like so. Now to make even more stronger, I'm applying one more coat of modpodge glue. Now I'm taking these two butterflies and I'll be pasting it with the flowers. Now this is done. I'm going to leave it to dry. I'm taking this lace and I'm going to fix it with fabric glue. I'm taking some pearls and a scissors. So now I'll be taking this lace and I'll be sticking it over that fabric glue only side by side. So one side is done and then another side you have to stick it like this. Now you can take pearls. It's totally up to you if you want to stick it or if you don't want to stick it. You can skip this process as well. If you don't have pearls, you don't have to be really specific. And yeah, it's done. And now you can keep your jewelry on it, you can keep your perfumes on it. And you can do one more thing. If you want to make it more sturdy, you can take a transparent glass and then of the same size, of course, and you can keep it on the tray for the classy look. Or you can keep it on your dining table like so. And if you like these coasters, I'll put the link under the description box. You can check out how did I make this. So here you can keep it on your dining table as well. So yeah, you can do one more thing with this. You can make a hole like this at the back and then you can hang it on the wall. So it can be your wall hanging as well. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, take care and see you next time. Bye bye.